Good morning, everybody. This is Eddie Rice from RV Air. Thank goodness we survived the COVID, and I'm grateful to be here to talk with you today. Today we're going to install the filters for the AC-125G. It's a Coleman unit. It's in most of all the newer RVs, and it's a pretty easy replacement. So here we go, okay? First thing we're going to do is I pull out my trusty little tool that I always carry with me, and we're going to come up here and we're going to go very easily, and we're going to just pinch the clips to pull them down. One of the things I would like to tell you is very important is if you see these little tabs up here, don't do this when the air conditioner's been running. You want to do this when it's normal temperatures, because if you break these tabs, you're going to end up spending some more money, okay? So just so you know on that. Our second part of the operation now is the new filter that they offer in the marketplace, and it's this plastic filter that supposedly is catching the dust. It reminds me of a dryer. When you pull this, you just slide it. You don't want to take and pull it straight down, because again, there's tabs up there, and if you break those, holy moly, it's going to be a whole new set of problems. So just go nice and easy with everything. Next thing we want to do is we want to check and make sure we got the right product. And this one says AC-125G. You can see the picture of the unit right on there. We go with pictures around here more than numbers. Seems to be easier for us. And we pull this out, we look at the filter. Green side goes up, always in our filters. And why is that? Because this is recycled material that we use on here, and these are directional airflow filters. We want you to come through the right white side first, and as it goes through, it gets tighter and tighter up to the green, and that's how we get the real fine microns of dust, as well as we can get also the mold spores. Most units today are ducted with the air conditioning, with the air coming out. So that's where the mold builds up in there. With these filters, this will help resolve that problem. So back to the install. So we're going to simply just put this filter right up here in place. We're going to hold it with our hands, just like that, nothing too heavy duty. And again, I want you to notice something. Notice how that it's only using about a half, not even a half, of the air in duct. And you say to yourself, well, why are they doing that? Well, that's just the way they designed it, and they wanted it to cosmetically look really nice instead of just a small area there. So there's an advantage to that, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. So we're going to put this right back up on here, and I'm going to reach over and grab my grill, and I'm going to bring it over here. And this filter is a little sticky, and the reason that it's sticky is because all of our fibers are sprayed with tackifier, and what happens is that allows us to really attract and hold the small dust. So here we go. We're right about ready to install this. So once again, we want to be careful with the tabs. Push that one in a little bit, just like that, like that, like that, and we are done. We just did it. Boy, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? Thank you, and thank you for coming to RV Air.